let's get started. Let's get started. We in. What's up, Dean? What's up? Shoot, I gotta. What it do, Brody? All right, let me switch real quick for you guys. I apologize. Shakir say, yo, what's good, guys? All right, it's been. I don't think I'm the only one. I think it's been one of the weirdest. Hey, what's good, Toby? It's been one of the weirdest. By the way, guys, let me know if the delay is better and if I'm choppy or anything like that, because I tried to fix the stream yesterday. It was supposed to be, the delay and everything was supposed to be much better. So, yeah, man. But yeah, this week has been really, what's good, Adib? Really weird, to say the least. It's been one of those weeks where, because of election, it's good. 100 proper. Like when you comment and I respond, is the delay like 5 seconds? I think Adib is the one who helped me yesterday. Adib, can you let me know if it's the same as yesterday? Yesterday the delay was like 5 to 7 seconds instead of 30 seconds to a minute. I'm trying to reduce the latency so that, you know, sometimes I'm missing you guys' questions and all that stuff because I am, what's the word I'm looking for? I am delayed. Anyways, this week has been absolutely horrific. Go to the 1 hour. It's been terrible. I don't think it's delayed. Perfect. Thank you, Toby. Thank you. Toby saying what up to, sorry, not Toby. Adib saying what up to everybody. Everybody. Guys, I gotta get Wi-Fi boosters in my house because you guys know I have 1 gigabytes per second internet speed, but up here in this new office, it's showing at like 480. So it's not great at all. But anyways, guys. Where are we at? Right here. The day, the week, the month has been awful. Just awful. And to be quite honest, guys, it's the drop on indices surprised you. Oh, I see. For me personally, I mean, we can see, let me see if I can find a cleaner chart for you guys. There you go. I'm actually waiting for US 30 to get to this level. What is this? Okay. Yeah, I'm waiting for US 30 to get to this level. This is what I'm anticipating, to be quite honest. So I was expecting the drop on indices. For NAS, you can see I have here marked up a little bit. I'm expecting NAS to play out as well. And I have a setup that I'm waiting for on NAS. So is today the last stream, Brody? No. We still have, I know I said 30 days, but today's day 22. So we still have 8 trading days left. No. If it was the last day, I would Hail Mary the whole account. If it was the last day, you see this? I'd be putting in like 10 lots just to try and pass the challenge. That's what I would do. It's not the last day. We still have some time, so I just got to be patient. But I want to say this while you guys are here. I think you guys are seeing for yourselves, if this is your first time in a season or in a market like this, you guys are seeing why I'm patient. Because of, I guess, elections or whatever's going on, the last 2 weeks or so has been like really bad in the market. It's still moving, but the setups. I have a lot of people who are messaging saying, yo, my setups aren't working anymore. I'm not getting any more opportunities. Bro, price is moving. Weird. What's going on? Blah, 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 blah. And it's because sometimes we enter into phases like this. That's why, for the most part, you guys haven't seen me take any trades. There's really nothing. I can't tell you the last time I took an A+ setup type trade. Right? That's how bad the market has been. So usually for me, and I thank God that I have other ways to make money, I'd be out and about for my business. I would take one good look at the market. If you notice, the only thing I have marked up today, let me show you. The only thing I have marked up today is this. Besides US 30, which we can't trade, I have, where is it at? This, ADJPY. I'm anticipating for price to come up into this zone. and it didn't do that. It's going the opposite way. So now that tells me this is most likely shot. You see what I'm saying? Dean said, I more trading days. Imagine the level and tomorrow it's NFP. Yeah, I know. Like this whole, bro, I feel like the elections is going to be a bloodbath, bro. Whatever happens at the elections, whoever wins, it doesn't matter. I think it's going to be a massacre in the market. Some side is going to get wrecked. Maybe even both sides, depending on how the market moves. But this election stuff, I feel like the market's kind of stalling for it, and it's going to be nasty work when it gets there. I'm going to trade right now AUD CAD entry. All right, Adim, I'm going to take a look. Yeah, the setups aren't giving. Sell. Got you. Thought I was going crazy. No, it's not you, Toby. I mean, you guys see how I trade. I when I'm following my strategy and I'm not taking stupid setups, my trades usually hit. But for this challenge, we've been forced to take some dumb setups because there is nothing. It's the weirdest thing. It's like as soon as we decide to do this, nothing good shows up. So anyways, let's take a look at Adib's trade. US 30 is going to come down there. 80 JPY, Euro, JPY. Let me see something. Let me get rid of this. Just looking for a thing here. Anyhow, let's go to AUD CAD. I think that's what Adib is looking at. He's in a sell, he said. So let's plot this trade for Adib. All right, so he said his entry is at 91,280. So entry price is at 91. All right, cool. His TP is at 91,123. Nice. And his stop loss is 91,350. Nice. Oh, all right. Adib just hopped into this trade. Guys, let's wish Adib luck. Hopefully it goes to where it needs to go to. Yeah, Adib, I think you might get your TP. Just understand around here. Just be a little careful. I haven't analyzed fully yet, but if I'm just eyeballing it, yeah, literally. You see what I'm saying? So be careful. Be careful, Adib, but I hope it hits TP. I mean, I don't really see why not. I think even with this, you should absolutely be able to ring it to TP. All right, Adib, best of luck, brother. We are rooting for you. 80 JPY is not going to where I need to go. US 30 is not doing what I need it to do. But that's okay. We're going to see if we can find... you see this line up here? I'm waiting for it to get into this zone. That's what I'm waiting for on... what's it called? AUD JPY. When it gets here, I want to take a trade. But price is literally going the other way. Right? So... we'll see. We'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens. Patience pays. We'll just be patient. And Adib, I'm going to set one alert here. All right. No pressure, Adib. It's just so that I can track your trade. That's all. Because I'm going to come off of this. I want to look at other pairs. That's all that it is. All right. Nas. Breaking out of this zone. Price has been just unbelievable. A lot of people have been messaging saying, bro, I'm not seeing setups anymore. My setups aren't hitting anymore. What's going on? Blah, blah, blah. Listen, this is just how it goes. This is just how it goes. Sometimes there are seasons like this. That's why, like, when the months are good and your streak is going like really well, you gotta just enjoy it, take the trades that show up, and then because there's a lot of days like this. It reminds me of when I was working at the dealership. When I was working at the dealership, we had a lot of, oh, how could I put it? We had a lot of months, especially in the winter months, right? Where you would just sit around and really do nothing. Nobody wants to come outside because it's so cold. The car market is slow. A lot of things happen. Everything, even businesses like that. You just get seasons where nothing is going on. See what I'm saying? I have gold. I'm hoping that gold, when it gets to this level, will do something. We will see what occurs when gold gets there. We have an alert set for that. GBP USD responding very nicely to the zone, wicking on both sides though, so not particularly great, right? Not too bad. Euro JPY, you guys already seen. Broke out of this zone, came back down. You know? Yeah, AUD JPY is the one that I'm disappointed in. I wanted price to go all the way up here, but it didn't. GU looks interesting at the moment. Yeah, let's take a look at GU. Let's take a look at GU. Oh, sorry, GU is up here. Yeah, so I mean, standard, right? You have price going from, just to make this easy to read, right? Kind of like this. And then it breaks off into here and is doing this. So this is bearish structure. All we're seeing, right? Retracing. We're expecting it to continue downwards. That's all. That's all that this is. It's just simple bearish price action. My African people said, that is it. Let me just add this Discord thing here and put this in the chat. All right, there you go. Today I closed 2 trades early because I was afraid, but it hit my TP later. Yeah, bro. I hate when that happens. You know what I mean? But some days you're kind of worried about how things are going to play out. You don't want to risk it, yada, yada, yada. And you end up being right. That's why, like I tell you guys, with trading, your job is to analyze and then execute. That's it. Because technically, if you've done your analysis, it should go in your direction and it should go to your TP, right? And if it doesn't, then your analysis was wrong. It's just that simple. It's just that simple. See how it broke out of the channel and how it retested. Might be a right place to sell. For GU, are you talking about GU, Toby? Yeah, no, for sure. You could have easily found some opportunities in here. I don't trade GU, but I feel like there's been multiple opportunities to get in for a sell, for sure. Yeah. We'll see. We might even take, oh, here we go. Finally. All right, guys, we're going to see what gold does. All right, it's a bit of a stretch. Gold has gone up, right, from this level like this. Consolidate a little bit. Now we're getting lower lows and lower highs, right? So technically, we shouldn't be buying. We should be selling. However, this could also be just a really deep retracement into this zone before going back up, or at least giving us a little retracement that we can use. All right, this candle is completely red, like fully red. It's 13 minutes to close, so I suspect that within this range we will find something to trade. So let me see what we can do here. Okay. I have to get myself ready. Guys. Oh, shoot, way too much. Let's do one lot. That's even a lot. This might push strongly, you know. I might have missed on this one, guys. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see, guys. Let's do pending order just so we can get a good idea. Just prepping myself. Everyone liked the stream. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, I'm just going to hop in. I don't even care. If it loses, it loses. I got to be a little aggressive here because what I'm planning to do is risk about 1% today. So if this doesn't work out, I'll take the next setup. That's all. And we're going to get stopped out. By the way, guys, I have an Apple Watch. I didn't show you guys, but I'm going to start putting my heart rate on here so you guys can see what my nerves and stuff are like. All right, we'll get them on the next one, guys. Don't worry. At this point, we just got to hop in. Oh, I heard another notification. 1 sec. 1 second. What's this? Oh, US 30 now. Sheesh. So everything's starting to hit, but I'm going to focus on gold. I have a feeling like we can scout this, get a nice... Let me see if I can actually... Let's do this. Let's see if we can set something up. And let's see if we can aim while we're here together for a decent area. Let's see if we can get up to like right here. I'm going to try my absolute best to hop into a nice trade. Like my absolute best. Because we have 8 days left. Nothing's really happening. I need to get this thing going. Now AD CAD. Adib, you hit TP. You guys congratulate Adib. Adib hit TP. Guys, congratulate Adib. Adib hit TP. Why did you execute? Toby, I just did. Howdy, what's good? What's good? What's good? Yay, Adib, we're going to celebrate you just now. Give me 1 second. Price is just violating this area, so we'll see. We'll see. We'll just continue to wait it out. Not yet. Not yet. Adib, you're a champion. Absolutely. Adib, good job. Maybe I can join you with hitting TP. Maybe I can join you with hitting TP. We need this next trade to really get to moving. So let me start analyzing. Let me see real quick what we can start looking at. Might even aim for like here. Yeah, let's do something like that. Let's see. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. All right, whatever happens. Bad boy turned millionaire. Shakir knows. All right, hold on. Adib, we got to celebrate you real quick. We got to celebrate you real quick, brother. First off, good morning to all my lovely pineapples out there. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Shout out
Good morning, pineapple.
everybody.
Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, good morning. All right, now let's put some W's in the chat for Adib. Some W's in the chat.
W's in the shot. W's in the shot.
Awesome. All right, Adib, it doesn't matter if it's demo. You've been practicing. You've been working really hard. You're new. You just started trading. I'm very proud of you. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and congratulate. As soon as I play the song, put some W's, some fire emojis. Spam the chat for Adib. Let's congratulate him. Adib, congratulations, brother. Congratulations.
Congratulations. I am happy for you. Like play, you have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations.
Yeah, I celebrate you. Awesome job, guys. Congrats, Adib. Congrats. Congrats. Oh, I forgot to play the next part. Once again, Adib, congratulations.
Congratulations! Oh, my God.
And as always, we're extremely happy for you.
Extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
All right, Adib, congratulations. Adib said, bro, I don't have electricity and my laptop just died. Now I'm using my phone. I'm not laughing at the fact you don't have electricity. I'm just laughing at how like all these things are happening at once. But you're a trooper though. You're a trooper. You've been going through this. I think you called it was it load not load management. You called it something else. You called it something else. You called it something else. Got to bring me my money. Oh, no.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Yeah, Adib, bring me my money, boy. Good job, Adib. I'm buying in a downtrend, you know. And I'm being so aggressive, bro. So we went from being up like 3 bills to being down. Why? Because of bad trades. But at this point, I don't even care. I think I'm going to take a couple positions today. And then what will happen is that by the end of the 8 days, we might have to Hail Mary it. And the reason why I'm like this is because with the elections and everything, chill a bit. Yeah, I hear you. With the election, by the way, guys, I can show you right now. I also haven't been sleeping. So I'm not my usual self. I don't know if you guys can see this. But the, let me see if I can take it off to show you guys. Oops. Look at how much sleep I got. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oops. There. That's how much sleep I got, guys. 3 hours and some minutes. I haven't been sleeping. So it's just been a very... Once you start, okay, the account will not go good. I know. I'm just... Someone messaged me yesterday and said, yo, bro, you good? You seem a little off. I'm like, bro, It's just so much going on, man. It's just so much going on. All right, let me try and be disciplined for real. Let me try and be disciplined for real. Gosh, let me check on US 30. Is US 30 starting to... Oh my gosh, guys, look at US 30. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, bro. I've been waiting all day for this move. This is the thing that's kind of frustrating about doing this challenge, right? Because I'm doing this challenge, I can't really touch these things, and it makes me miss out on some of these prime setups that I wait for. But anyways, it's all good. You got to take a break this weekend. Yo, Fauci was popping. Yeah, I'm going to try, guys. There's more work to do. There's a lot of work to do, man. I'm going to try. So, yeah, did you guys see how many hours that was? It was... Oops. Got to put in my passcode here. It was 3 hours and 52 minutes, guys, that I got of sleep. And I woke up late. I'm supposed to be up at 6. This said I was up at 7:41. I went to bed at 3:30, woke up at 7:40. So I was late. I was supposed to be up at 6, but I snoozed my alarm. GU went wild too. Oh yeah? Let's check. AUDJPY is the one that hurt my soul. So here's the other thing that's, I think, kind of like just annoying. So what's happening is like I'm waiting for these setups and they're all leaving without me. And then I'm having to take this, setups like this. What I'm personally waiting for is the close of this 15-minute candle, because I feel like that's where we'll get our entry perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So hold on, I'll check GU in a second. Let me go back here. Make sure I'm good. Gotta be patient. Just wait it out. Bro, wait it out. I should probably not trade today, to be honest. No sleep. Not in the best mood. So, yeah, this is about to violate the zone. Yeah. I'm gonna leave that alone, I think. Let me check. Let me check TradingView. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it alone. You guys, it is what it is. We're just gonna take the L like a man. We're down now to, what are we, minus $4.12. I think that's what it is. $4.12. So we're gonna say and then we'll change this to red. And we took 2 trades the other day, so we are now 5 for 10. Oh gosh, we're at 50% right now. Hey babe, that's it right here. Thank you, appreciate you guys. Guys, Mrs. Foreign is in here. You guys can say hi real quick.
Hi.
Let me see what they're saying. One sec.
Hello, pineapples.
Yeah, they're saying hi. Adeep said hi.
Where are they from? I just see.
No, it's here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right, so Fauci said ground. As Toby said, hey. Adib said hi. Fauci said grand rising. Dean said W, Mrs. Foreign, and Fauci said hello.
All right, you guys have a great day.
There you go, guys. All right, so she brought me breakfast that she just made. Appreciate her. Yeah, guys, I shouldn't have. Oh yeah, so what was I saying? We are currently at a 50% win rate. This is the worst I've performed in a long time. I hate how Africans eat. I think you're racist, Fauci. I think you hate that Africans get to eat. I think that's what Fauci's saying. Guys, Fauci's saying he doesn't like the fact that Africans eat food. How aren't you getting weight the way you love food? Because I only eat like twice a day max, to be quite honest. I'll eat like breakfast sometimes, and then there are other times too where I may eat dinner. But for the most part, I don't eat that often. But I have put on some weight though, to be honest. I'm trying to lose it back. I'm trying to lose it back. I'm trying to lose it back. Oh, I do like Mandarin. Okay, so we took an L today on this here. Lost $161. So we'll see what happens. We're going to do our best to... The trades I wanted to take today... Oh, man. Anyways, we don't cry over spoiled milk over here. It is what it is. Don't get rid of this. This was kind of a hopeful setup. Like I told you guys, we shouldn't be buying. But we're trying to wait. Bro, Toby, look. Oh, my goodness. Toby, look at this. Toby, are you seeing this? We were just talking about getting into a sell. So I said to myself that I was waiting. So I was basically waiting for price to just break this. And I was like, okay, we'll probably just as a joke take a demo trade. And this thing just went to hell. Nasty work. Nasty work. Fam, your stream is quick, fam. Yeah, thank you. You're the one who pointed out to me that it's slow, so I worked on it, bro. Thank you. Nice. Wow. Did you break your rules for me? Yeah, I did. I did. Every loss I've taken so far was a rule break. I think with the exception of... No. Yeah, every single loss I've taken so far has been a rule break. Yo, my electricity just came back. Awesome, Adib. Glad to hear it. If you didn't, you win today. No, yeah, I know. No, I lost today. I lost on many levels. El Mukbang, why you want to make him constipate? I hate to tell you, told you so. I know. You were very right. Like I was anticipating something there as well. That's why I marked up that zone, but I wasn't expecting it to be that strong. So remember, I don't trade GU at all. So that's crazy. What's happening on GU? I'm gonna lose my mind. Is what I want on AUD JPY, and it's not doing it. It's just leaving without me. Please check my comment before this. I think we wanna up the win rate. The stream should start an hour early if possible. An hour early is 8:30. And here's the challenge I have with that. Number one, I have to wait till 8:30 to trade. Number two, because of how things have been recently, I don't even get a chance to really look at the charts. I'm hopping on here. Sometimes, I think the last 2 days, I was able to take a quick look at night. Nothing's really happening at night, but you can kind of anticipate what's happening in the morning. Oh, sorry, guys. So, yeah. You mean 9:32? You can trade. No, 8:30, Fauci. 8:30. My rules are no trades before 8:30. So anytime after 8:30, I'm clear. But I will do that for the boot camp, though, guys. For the boot camp, what I'm going to be doing is it's going to be everybody will be with me. Like we'll probably start like 8. I'll mark up the charts in front of everybody. I'll give everybody. You see these type of positions that you guys sometimes will walk in and I'm already finished trading. It's because when I'm trading my other accounts, I don't come on camera, right? I take my time to focus and stuff. But with the boot camp, everybody will be able to see what I'm doing. But the win rate, Toby, to be quite honest, hasn't even been bad because of the time I'm trading, because some setups have shown up. But it's just that out of these 10 trades we've taken, as you can see, only 5 have won because... Yeah, only 5 have won because of the fact that I've been taking dumb trades. Like one day I took 2 or 3 L's back to back just from impulse buying and selling, right? So that's the issue, is like I'm breaking my rules. And it's because this challenge has taken way too long. I forget we have time zones. Yeah. Yes, Toby. So anyways, let's see what else we can find out here. Let's see what else we can find. EU, Euro JPY also really respected this really well. Came down nicely. Is back into the zone. Not bad. Not bad. This just didn't show my setup, so I didn't touch that. Finally, so here's the good news with this. This tells me either tomorrow or by next weekend, we should get some proper price action. We finally broken out of this range. We needed to close with some convincing, push, like a strong candle close within the next 50 minutes. And once it does that and starts forming structure, we can start to take this seriously. Up until now, we've just been in a range, and I hate trading a range. You see what I'm saying? So gold going up now, fam. I bet you it is. I bet you it is. Where's gold at? Let me go back to gold. Wait. Oh, I took the thing off. Yeah, gold going back up now. Ah. That's very interesting, but I can't touch it. I've already made one stupid decision today. I'm not gonna make another one. So anyways, going back to what I was saying. Pre-downtrend. GBP CHF, pre-downtrend. Got you. Give me 1 second. Go back. GBP CHF. All right, here's what I'm looking at. It's a little messy because of all these executions and all these things. But as you can see, price came. I wanted price to come into this zone. Didn't do that. Went down. Break. Here's what I honestly think. After consolidation, we're going to get a break. Maybe we might break this level. We might get it closer to somewhere around here before we get a retracement. If it breaks out strongly. If it doesn't, and this doesn't close outside the candle, then we're still within the zone. So we got to wait and see what happens. All right. Oil. Doing what oil does best. Nothing really. Good choice. I'm chilling and not impulse buy. Yeah, bro. I just, you know what I mean? Like, I already made a bad mistake. And I've been doing that a lot. But again, part of this whole thing is to Part of this whole thing is to show you guys the realities of trading. Right? Under normal circumstances, I don't really break my rules. I'm patient. I just wait. Okay, here we go. I just wait it out. But there are days where you do get frustrated. What are we looking at over here? Why did this go off? What was I looking for over here? Oh, this is an old one. This is an old one that was set. This is an old one. I think that's what it was. That's an old one. I'm not going to touch that. Where were we? Love you too, baby. Mate. You have it today? Yeah. Mate. If you can't duplicate it, I. So yeah. Oil looking tempting. That's really nice price action. One second deep. I'm focused here on so would you say 1 minute engulfing? Is that what you said? 5 minute engulfing. Got you. You know, guys, I don't trade the 5 minute. Let's take a look here. So price came into this zone. It's kind of rejecting it, pushing back up. I'll wait it out. I will wait it out. I want to see what oil does. Maybe we can take a fake trade or something. Toby, can you ask how streaming has impacted your trading? So to be quite honest, streaming has impacted my trading in a good way. To be quite honest with you, let's just set a. I'm gonna set a couple positions here, guys. If it goes to these levels, all right, just as markers in case I miss it. But I'm waiting for a certain retracement. I'll show you guys what I'm looking at. Let's add another one right here. And do the same thing. And then there we go. So we'll see what happens. The way trading has impacted the way streaming has impacted my trading has been because I've had to analyze a lot of different pairs for you guys. I've actually polished up some aspects of my original trading strategy. So like, for example, when you guys saw the other day, I took 3 trades on indices and all of them hit. And it's because of what I've noticed now, just from analyzing certain things for you guys. So it's impacted in a positive way. The only downside that hasn't affected my personal trading is just taking impulsive moves and breaking my rules. I don't do that in my own trading at all. In my own trading, I do not break my rules. I just wait because you guys, I'm not like, because I've done this before, I understand what it takes. Every time you're taking a trade that you shouldn't take, you're actually taking money out of your own pocket, even if it goes to TP. So I just usually just wait things out. That's all. I usually just wait things out. And once price gets to my zone, I execute. And if I got to wait 2 weeks for that, I wait 2 weeks. That's just how it goes. Let's do 101 to 4. So the next one right here. Let's do one more. Just for entertainment purposes, guys, this is not a signal. Okay, there's a good chance price is going to take us out. But I'm just trying to see if we can scalp this area here real quick. That's all that it is. That's all that it is. Does it force you to... Wait, I missed some stuff. Adib said, hearing you eating makes me hungry. Sorry, Adib. I got to have breakfast. You guys know I haven't been eating. I haven't been sleeping. I show you guys on the watch. I have... Let me see if I can show you guys. I got... I can't. Long story short, I only slept 3 hours today. All right, so that's how my week has been. The last couple weeks, you guys, some of you guys have messaged me because you're actually concerned. You're like, bro, you know, you look tired, you look off, your energy's different. I'm like, yeah, I'm not sleeping. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah, let's see. I think I want to get a Top Step. You should. Fauci, you would love it. Top Step is amazing. Next time I'll bring food with me when the live starts. You should. Toby said, does it force you to up your game, which makes less room for errors? Not really. I'm the same on and off camera type of thing. I do what I do. That's why I'm not afraid to trade live in front of you guys. I don't care. I have nothing to prove. I'm not selling a course. I'm not, and even the boot camp that I may do is not a trading boot camp like, oh, here's signals, here's my setup. It's a psychology thing, because the people I've spoken to in the Discord, they can't hold trades, or sometimes, like what Adib said, you know, price is going to his TP, he closes early. There are things that I'm going to teach in that course. That's all that it is. But I have nothing to prove at all. So for me personally, it doesn't really impact the way I do anything. There are, actually, no, I won't lie. There are a couple times where I want to take a trade before you guys are on, and I'll hesitate, even though the setup is beautiful, because I'm like, shoot, I don't want to take a trade, they're not there, or I lost and then I have to come explain. That, I won't lie, that gets to my head sometimes. It's weird. It's like this performance thing. But for the most part, it doesn't really impact me too much. Sako said, hey guys, just finished burning myself today. Markets are too fast. How are you guys doing? Sako, welcome to the club. Today I took a very stupid trade. Lost like 161. It's not a big deal. We're basically at break even on the account now. But the markets have been horrible. I've been waiting for a couple days, sometimes weeks, and then I just decided to throw some impulse buys in there, and it didn't go well. So it happens. But as long as you can discipline yourself, just relax, you'll get them on the next one. That's just how it goes, guys. Plus, every trader has a losing streak, and sometimes it's due to the market, and sometimes it's due to our habits. And right now, guys, because elections are coming up and all these news events are releasing, the market is just not really going the way that we like, but it's all good. All right. Adib is asking, did you take an L? I think he's asking you, Sako. No L's. Yeah, emotions are very high. Yeah, you know what I mean? Like things are just like, for me personally, I'm not stressed, but I'm not sleeping, so I don't have as much patience as I usually do, or tolerance. I'm like, bro, this is getting annoying now. This is getting annoying. I've been sitting here for 22 days, trading days, which has been about a month, because I think Dean was pointing out that we're literally at that 30-day mark, and we're just at break even. You see what I'm saying? I wish I could trade indices, because we'd already been either past the challenge or failed it, but we would have passed. Indices, I'm not taking no L's like that. But anyhow, that's how it goes. Okay, makes sense. How's your day, Deep? We know you're profitable. You don't have to prove nothing. Appreciate you, Fauci. Shout out to you, brother. They're spawning. And we appreciate your time and transparency. 100%. Guys, I'm doing this just for the love of the game and the love of my people. You know what I'm saying? It's just one of those things where a lot of you guys have messaged me, show me screenshots. And like, bro, since I started watching your streams, all the gems you drop, all the strategies you showed, everything, it's working. I'm better now, because Adib is new. Show, I think, was also new. And just from either watching me or even just being in the Discord, these guys, sometimes they're posting their trades, and I glimpse it every so often. They're doing well. And it's all free. Just trying to help a brother out. You know what I mean? HBO special. Help a brother out. So that's all that is. So I appreciate the fact that you guys appreciate everything I'm doing. We distract you and you're trading Forex only. That's tough. Yeah, and I'm an index trader. That's the other thing too, guys. I trade indices. Okay? Look at the difference between my zones on indices and my zones on other pairs. You see what I'm saying? It's just not the same. It's just not the same. What up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Have a great trading day. You too, Show. You too. Let's trade indices then. Right after this challenge, I'm going back to indices. Because the other day, okay, so let me just give you guys perspective. I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Adib was talking about AED CAD. Let's go back to US 30 real quick. The trades I took on SPX 500 and US 30 was enough for me to be done for the month. I'll show you guys. Was it this one? No. This one right here. So let me just go replay real quick. We'll just do it at this. And we'll go down. You see these two trades here? Oh, this must have moved. This was a 1 to 2. Either way, this was a 1 to 2. This was like a 1 to 5 almost. Okay. These two positions here, 2 and 5. What's that? 7R. Then on US 30, I think I have it somewhere as well. It was a similar day. There you go. And then on US 30, look at this. Another 1 to 5. Another 1 to 5. That's why I told you guys I'm done for the month for indices. When I trade indices the way I want to trade with my setups, look at how long it took me to hit TP on here. Look. We entered, I think, on this retracement candle or at the break. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 18 minutes we were out the trade. 18 minutes. This is why I'm telling you I love indices. Like 18 minutes, I'm out. My longest trade is like half an hour. This one also took a bit of a turn here at the break. So let's say 1, 2. Okay, so right here is about an hour. So 1, 2. Okay, give or take, this one here took about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, right? But let me show you something. 2 hours for what? What was this here? Almost 7R? I can take it. Gold, 2 hours, all to hit a small 2R. A small, you see how this is wide? Like if I had entered up here like I usually do, I'd have already been at TP. Right? This one I entered late. No problem. With gold, you'll enter here and it'll still take you 2 hours to get here. Hate it with all my soul. So anyhow, I'm saying all this to say that I can't wait to get back to indices. Let me just put it that way. Show. I can't deal with Forex. I tried it. It's not fast enough for me. Same. Fam, gold said, I'm going to take your money and go. Gold is still going up, eh? Let me get rid of these real quick. Let's go check out gold. Let's go take a look at gold, ladies and gentlemen. It's coming back down though. Fauci. Yeah. I mean, it went up, but it was way past my zone and now it's coming back down. So for me, not really great. But as you guys can see, you know what I mean? That's what I look for on indices. So that's how I trade. And it doesn't take me very long to, you know, go in and out of positions. And I like that. Whereas in Forex, so look at this trade. Not this trade. Look at this setup. Price came into this zone, push straight up. Those are on here. Push straight up. We're good. You see what I'm saying? That's what I like about indices, like or index pairs. When I'm right, it just goes my direction. When I'm wrong, it goes the other way. And either way, I find out very quickly. All right, guys, got to take a sit break. By the way, this stream is sponsored by nobody but God. You know what I'm saying? Because we ain't even monetized yet. Shout out to Jesus Christ, y'all. Shout out God. Let's see where we at. Oh gosh, I'm missing a whole bunch. Even with the challenge, we'd be funded by now. Exactly. You see what I'm saying? So I trade indices on all my other accounts. That's why I said I'm good for the month. I'm good. And that's how I look to trade. Forex, don't get me wrong, Forex works really well too with my strategy, but the setups take forever to show up. Gosh, it's frustrating. Guys, the only reason why I don't trade indices is because they have very long wicks, and I'm afraid of long wicks. You'll get used to it, Deep. But if it's not your thing, just stay away from now. If we didn't do this challenge. Moves like 30 pips in 3 seconds. Exactly. Gold is a trap. Stay away. Yeah, I'm not touching it. No, I'm not saying to trade it. Go with you. Move your direction. I get you. You guys are laughing. Not financial advice. Just avoid gold today, bro. I'm with you guys. All right. So I'm not touching gold for reason. You guys, look. This is the setup I wanted right here. Some of my setups have been. You see this right here? Waited for this yesterday. You guys remember yesterday I had to, was it yesterday I had to go? Wednesday, right? Yeah. Yesterday I had to leave. I waited all day for this setup, but it happened at like, I think this is 10 o'clock my time in the night, right? So I don't trade at that time. But like these zones, when I mark out the zones and I say, guys, remember yesterday there was an alert here? I said, guys, this is the one I'm looking for today. It usually works out. Why? Because I've vetted it. I've done my research, my analysis, my breakdown. I'm confident based on everything I'm looking at, this zone should react. And look, you guys remember the other day I took these trades? 2 1 to 8 trades. So I told you guys I'm working on a strategy that like when everything's said and done, it'll show you how accurate, because you guys can see where I'm entering at, like the tops of these things, right? So that's how I want to trade. But there's two challenges with this live stream stuff. I have to trade within a certain time and within a certain time period as well. So it's not just like a certain time within a day, within a duration of 30 days. So it's making me do things I shouldn't do. But no excuses, guys. I pulled the trigger. Nobody forced me to pull the trigger. If I end up with a, God forbid, a 20% win rate, that's me. That's 1,000% me. I can't blame impulse. I can't blame the market. I can't blame elections. That's me. Because as a trader, I'm supposed to still do what I do. You know what I'm saying? So everybody has bad games and bad nights, but still, it's on you. It's on you. All right, guys. I'll be right back because my my battery just died. Your entries are clean. Thank you. Thank you. Bro, I'm telling you guys, you'll see during the boot camp if we do the boot camp. All right, guys, give me 1 second. I got to change my battery here. Where is it? All right, guys, sorry about that. Super sorry about that, guys. Super sorry about that. Bro, why Forex move slow and indices move fast? Indices is tied to the stock market. Lots of volume, just lots of volume and activity. All right, but if you notice, after like the first hour of the market open for indices, everything just dies down. Whereas in whereas in Forex, you know, different sessions have volume at some point. So you can always catch multiple setups a day. What about the battery inside the fire alarm? I just kidnapped Adib. You're gonna have to try harder than that. Because as you can see, I'm still here, brother. I'm gonna have to try better, try harder. If and see when we do it. Hey yo, what do you mean if? When we do it. Toby, get your mind out the gutter. When we do, wait. Bro, you know what? I'm too tired for this, guys. I'm on 3 hours of sleep. Let me be. Let me be. All right, guys. So oil is moving quite nicely. All right, oil is moving quite nicely. When I look at certain setups, sometimes I want to take a trade, but I'm just careful. I eyeballed this today. So I had a feeling we'd get a nice reaction off of here just because of what I looked at. But if I had properly done my analysis, I would have taken this trade on another account if you guys weren't here. If I had done my analysis properly on this, I would have taken this setup. But I didn't. I kind of eyeballed it. I looked at it. I said, okay, based on what I'm seeing with this, right? Price has been very strong at this level. We have a massive gap that happened to break kind of right at the top of this area. I'm like, there's a good chance after price tries to fill out this whole area, right? Because that's what it's aiming for. All the way down here. It wants to fill this. So I'm like, okay, there's a good chance if price gets up into this area, we should get a decent push. All right, so it's just one of those things. Now, what do most people like to do when they're here? They like to do what? They like to move their stops to break even. I don't do that. You guys, if you notice, I am TP or stop loss. That's it. My fault, guys. I was downloading something the other day. Oh, which reminds me, I have to go buy a memory card for this. Because I'm downloading some games and I gotta get Smash Bros for this. I gotta get Smash Bros. Yo, do you guys know about Killer Instinct? The game? Game is fire, bro. It's one of my favorite childhood games of all time. It's for you to be able to. All right, guys. So let's see if we can make 7 bands today. Let's see. If means there's a chance it might not happen. Oh, I got you. Yeah, like, okay, because you guys, so here's what's happening right now, right? I have a lot of plans for you guys. I keep telling you guys Christmas is going to be lit because I have a lot of plans. Christmas, I'm not trying to drop the ball. I'm going on a cruise in about a couple weeks. So after I get back, it should be like everything just clicking, going off. You know what I mean? Because I have a lot of surprises for you guys. I really want to help you guys, give you guys a good Christmas. You know what I mean? Adib hit me up the other day. He's like, bro, can you please do the... I promise I got some good stuff for you guys. But the problem I'm having now is that a lot of things have happened in my business and in my personal life, right? As you guys can see, I moved. There's some things to do, bigger obligations and all that stuff. So what happened is I am now not under stress per se, just more responsibilities, more things to do. And so as a result, bro, I am not performing the way I should. You know what I'm saying? Or not performing I'm not as productive. That's the word. Productive. I'm not as productive as I should be. You know what I'm saying? So he just escaped. You done eating real quick, huh? No, I still got the food left. It's still here. You guys think I went off camera to eat? I went to change my batteries. Your brain froze. Yeah, bro. My brain glitched. All entries super clean. Thank you. You guys can see, like, bro, I have some trades. I'll show you guys some trades where, like, literally when the spreads are low, I'll get ticked in just like this and it'll go. Just like that and it'll go. Like a lot of my entries, I even have a couple of them on the FOREX Funder Challenge, right? That's what I like. As a trader, I want to be a sniper. You know what I'm saying? I want to be, bro, what can I use this as? I ain't got nothing, guys. I want to be a sniper. You know what I'm saying? Boom. That's how I like to trade. Sniper entries. I don't like anything. I'm either at the top or I'm catching it at the lowest point. I'm not in, I don't do, sometimes people are like, oh, you know, price has moved all the way here, let's say, right? Let's say price has sold all the way down here. And they're now wanting to get into sells. Bro, I'm not comfortable doing that at all. If I ain't get it up here, I don't want it. The gap has to be closed though. Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm trying to scalp this real quick before it goes to fully fill it. But I knew that this area would give us a decent reaction. On this trade here, we're at least up a 1, 2, 2. So I could have closed that, but I never do that. We're in it to win it. If it hits stop loss, we rich, baby. Oops, wrong one. You know what I'm saying? 3.5 million in this account, bro. Who else doing this? You already know. My bro denying he's our Santa. Bro, I don't know about that, but I promise you, like, just you guys continue to pray for me. If everything goes well, right, you guys are gonna have a great Christmas. I promise. I don't want to overhype it, but if it goes well, Christmas will be great. The only way that Christmas won't really go the way it's supposed to is if these challenges that are kind of showing up at this time, if they, you know what I mean, if they persist. That name makes me want to throw my phone to the wall. Which name? Bro, I am not paying attention. Which name? Oh, the FOREX Funder. Got you. Yeah, I know. No scope. Yes, sir, Fauci. Bro, I wish you guys... And my Xbox is not even set up yet. But I would love to game with you guys one day. I was literally going to go buy a PS5 if you guys are on PS5. But you guys are not on PS5. I asked you guys on Xbox. No. Everybody's on mobile and PC. You guys, my computer is for work. I don't game on it. And plus, it's a Mac. They have like Apple Arcade it's all right. What's good, Ranker? What's good? What's good? What's good? I'm not expecting nothing, fam. I just hope you are blessed, my guy. Preach, Fauci. Shout out to Fauci, but Fauci just be doing some stand-up class A citizen work, bro. Shout out to you, Fauci. Appreciate it. But I mean, I won't say no to a gift for real. Yeah, 1,000%. Nah, you need Alex G sniper entry strategy. Yeah, bro. You're right. You're right. I really do. I need to buy the course and I need to buy a course. I need to buy everybody's course and learn how to be a sniper. I need to learn how to make my entries like get in like right here, you know? No pips wasted right here. Stop loss right here. Oops, shoot. Stay right there, don't move. There you go. Bro, whatever. And I need to put my stop loss like right there. You know what I'm saying? That's how I gotta trade. I gotta be the market maker, the ghost in the machine, as they say. There we go. House course is good for beginners, but the other is Noah's trying to be polite about it. Why don't you buy a scope on Amazon and pull it every time you scope a trade? Hey, you know what, Fauci? I just might. You gotta remind me about that, though. You already know. I forget so many things because of all the stuff going on. But I just might. I just might. No, Alex G's course here. Yeah, no, it's a joke, guys. Shout out Alex G. I'm saying he's living his own life, doing his own thing. But yeah, no, I don't. You guys, fun fact, in case you don't know, I've never taken anybody's course, never joined nobody's Discord community, nothing, no mentorship, nothing. I learned to trade all by myself. No, I shouldn't say all by myself. I was self-taught in the sense of like I did my research and developed the strategy. But obviously, we learn from people on YouTube. You watch some people, you see their strategies, you take a bunch of strategies. Sometimes you put it together, make your own, and you have what works for you. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not 100% self-taught because obviously I watch videos, but all I'm saying is I didn't take no course, no mentorship, nothing. And ranker chilling on foreign here, 100%. Actually, other things are rigged as. Gotcha. No, were you in his? Anyways, I don't want to get into that because that's a different topic for a different day. Who said Alex G sniper? Alex G's course just $10. Anybody? Adib. Adib is you can learn with Adib. I have it for free. Oh, Adib, someone has you beat, bro. Someone has you beat. No, bro, you're ruining my business. Noah said I won't link it. Best you funded, but I messed up and over leveraged. Ranker, remember we talked about this the other day. You had a similar situation where you were killing it, I think, on top. Were you the one who was trading on Top Step? And you killed it, and then, but you were over leveraging. Please have rules and stick to them, okay? Got you, Ranker. See, people say that they don't have time. Like, see, this guy has a business to run. I'm putting the time to learn the skill. Bro, I sacrificed a lot. I'm not gonna lie to you. I sacrificed a lot to get trading working. I almost lost my business. Let me just put it that way. You're a grinder. You know when you grind, you're a kush with a grinder. That's how much you grind. I've never smoked before, guys. I've never smoked before. I don't drink. I've tried alcohol twice. One at a party, someone gave me a Corona, tasted like absolute garbage, and I think I tried a Smirnoff. It was my sister's bottle. She had it in the fridge, so I'm like, oh, what is that? I didn't even realize after till I had it that it was alcohol. But other than that, I don't drink alcohol, and I've never smoked at all. I've never tried it, unless you consider secondhand smoke, where you're at the bus stop or something, and somebody's just going ham on that cigarette, and it keeps going in your face or something like that. That's the closest thing to smoking I've ever done. I don't smoke. I don't drink. Why do you have to pay a monthly fee to trade futures? You guys, brokers and all these people who offer services, they make money on the transaction, right? That's why we have spreads. So for example, if I transferred money to Toby, Stripe or whatever payment processor I'm using would want a piece of that pie. Because let's say they take $1 out of every $10 I send, do the math, right? You have 10,000 customers, you know, they all transact $10. You're going to make 10K just off of those customers, right? And it's way more than that actually. Like how much they make a day. But so brokers and futures firms and all these firms, what they do is that they make more money on the fees they charge you for the services they provide. That's how it usually works. Your business going right till that kingdom come. Dean, I appreciate you, brother. God bless you for that, man. Thank you. I stopped trading this week to understand why I messed up. Good for you. Yo, first off, okay, I want to say something to every trader on here. All right, guys. I want you to understand if I'm eating, so let me type it out. All right, if your trading's been horrible recently, it's most likely not you, it's the market. I'll tell you why. The fact that I've only found one good setup on Forex in the last 2 weeks tells you, because of all these news events and elections, the markets aren't moving. You guys, I see it in the Discord and people message me. A lot of people are complaining about the setups and the way the markets are moving. Don't get me wrong, some people are still finding ways to trade, it's fine, but I'm telling you, even for me, you see what I'm saying? I'm not finding the setups that I want to find. A lot of stuff is not showing up. So if you're not trading the way you want, or if results are not really going the way you want, it's most likely, excuse the market. You know, we usually say it's us, right? Because we never excuse ourselves. But I'm trying to tell you, you guys need to understand, and this is why I brought it up. You guys, whenever you're trading a strategy and it feels like the strategy stopped working, it's because of the season or the market condition. That's all that it is. If you think I'm wrong, go back test. You'll notice and track it by months. You'll notice some months your strategy is like 100%. Other months it's like 20%. And when you look at that month, why it was 20%, the trading conditions were horrible. Look at what we were just looking at the other just now. I'll leave this over here. It was 30. I'll show you. It is GBP CHF. Look, we just got out of this zone. So if I'm taking a bunch of trades within here, right, because I'm not realizing that we're in a zone. So this is what happens to a lot of traders. They can't see from here to, they can't see here to here, right? This started when? This started October 1st. Good. So guys, look, just so you guys can see that I'm not lying, watch this. Watch this. Where are we at? All right. From October 1st, today's what, the 31st. You see this entire range right here? We have been in a range this entire month. This entire month, we've been going sideways. So what happens is that when you're backtesting or trading for real, you don't realize the reason why your strategy is not working is because you're in a range. In a range, everybody knows. Your chances, your probabilities go down extremely because it's not really following the trend. When the market is trending is when your strategy's win rate is higher. When you're sideways, it drops significantly. So if, let's say you were trading GBP CHF all month and you realize, bro, I keep getting stopped. How come it's not respecting the zone and it's going up, but then it comes down here and then it goes back up, but it's not respecting? It's because we're ranging. All right. So that's what I'm saying. Like, if you notice that your setups haven't really been working, understand the markets just haven't been giving us great opportunities. Okay. Let me get rid of this. Let me go back here. Okay. I'll stop trading. Okay, you're exactly like my older brother. Oh, same exact. Then your older brother's awesome. I'm not pro, but I think you should take a step back for a few days. Oh, at Ranker, got you. He's a video editor. He built a Christian channel to 1 mil. Bro, that's fire. Send it to me later on. I want to check it out. It's called, oh, there it goes. Christ forgiveness. I'm going to check it out. That's so fire. Bro, I took a trade this morning and my margin was $32, but my spread was $1.05. Isn't my spread too much? I'd have to see it, but I mean, sounds like it. I'd have to see it. I will. Let's just start a firm. I've thought about doing that, to be honest. But you want to know why I probably wouldn't do it? The model is really jacked up, to be quite honest. Oh, I'm fine. The model is jacked up. In order for the firm to be profitable, you guys would actually have to be really good traders, and we'd have to place your trades directly into the market. Anything else, we're just taking your money. At least for now. Karis the said thank you. I thought I was going crazy because of how the market has been moving late. No. It's not you. I promise. It's not you. I promise. It's not you. I promise. The market's just been messed up, right? Like, look, right now I have this marked up. What's it called? Right now I have, where was it? Gosh, where was it? Oh, yes. Okay, there you go. So right now, look at my win rate. I'm 5 for 10. My win rate is nothing under the high 60s. Nothing. Like, in other words, when I'm having a bad month, my win rate is in like the like 66%. Let me just put it that way. Like that. Okay? That's when I'm having a really bad month. I'm trading 50% right now. Why? Market sucks. I've also made bad mistakes. It happens. And you guys have to also understand that when the market is like this contributes to your psychology. You keep seeing, so this, look, just imagine, look, watch this. Just imagine you are waiting for a trade setup. You know what I mean? Didn't really get it. All of a sudden, the price tanks like this. Okay? So the price out of nowhere just tanks. Guess what you want to do? You're like, bro, when it comes back or as soon as I see another red candle, I'm in, and price goes the other way. Well, what I'm basically trying to say is a poor example, but when you start to see these large pushes, right, in different directions, you keep thinking, man, I'm missing so many great moves. No, you're not. The reason why price keeps going up with force, down with force, up with force is because we're ranging. But remember, it takes a while for you to catch on what's happening in the market. It takes a while. So that's what I'm saying. It's not you guys. We've just been given really crappy cards this past weeks, couple of weeks and months at For Money. No, for me, it's me. The problem, I was trading in the demo and made 50K. Oh, so that for you, once you made 50K in demo, you're like, oh man, I'm gonna go crazy for real, and then that affected the way I see the whole month in a range. Exactly, Toby. Exactly. But yeah, Ranker, I see what you're saying. That, again, affects your psychology. You see what I'm saying? So that happens as well. The whole month in a range. You know you were over trading when your back starts to hurt. Bro, my back hurts consistently. I'm booking a nice massage on our... Yo, when we went to Colombia, I had the best massage of my life, but I won't lie. The girl who was massaging me, she was violating me, bro. At one point, I was about to yell like, yo, stop. She was... anyways, this is not one of them streams. You know what I'm saying? This is not one of them streams, but I had to tell her, yo, chill out. Because we booked a massage for them to come to our hotel room. So I was on one bed here, my wife was on the other bed there. And both of our masseuses, what's the plural? What's the plural for masseuse? EU. Bro, I can't tell. But anyways, both of our massagers, whatever you want to call them, they were both female. And yeah, that was crazy. You know, the plan is to run the firm for 6 months, then one day disappear. That's the method, right? That's exactly what everybody's doing. Don't you think it's ideal to still wait after the US? Maximus, if you're one of those who are waiting, I'm telling you right now, don't rush it. If you want to wait. If you want to wait after the election, I agree with you, because I think the elections is going to be a bloodbath. I think we're going to see this during the election. Right? We'll be just chilling somewhere within this range, somewhere, I don't know, anywhere, right? And then when the election hits, we'll get like something like this, and then either up or something like this, and then straight to hell. Like, it's going to be one or the other. It's going to be nasty. That's how I personally feel, regardless of who wins. Last quarter, demos aren't real, bro. Trade, at least a small currency. No trading, blah, blah, blah. People vacation. I want a massage too. Yeah, massages are great. Stop violating my Brody. Bro, the reason why I'm holding back on what I'm saying is because I don't want to give you guys any imagery or any nasty thoughts. But at one point, as soon as I was about to tell her, yo, cut it out or else you're gone, she stopped. So it's like she was reading my mind. But man, I've had massages here in Canada, right? They're careful where they put their hands. They're careful how they massage you and stuff like that. And it's fine. In Colombia, they're really trying to get their money's worth. Let me just put it that way. They used oils. Of course they used oil. Sako, don't. Are you the one? Is it you or K-Dot who's obsessed with the oils and oiling people up? Is it you? Yeah, bro, come to me. I'll give you a massage for 10,000. Adib, I don't want a massage from you, brother. Adib, no. Adib, no. No. Listen, Adib, if God forbid something happens to me and they say we need someone to massage this guy for him to be fixed, leave me alone, okay? Thank you. Mrs. Oz is Mesut is the plural. Really? I'm gonna check it out after what I said. I want a massage too, not. Why I need to be a football soccer player to get the joke? Yeah, I'm not into football. You mean pulling your groin? If Trump wins, I say sell indices till the new year. The whole year we buy. Bro, listen, whoever wins is gonna be a bloodbath. That's all I can say. I gotta see the technicals before I get a better idea. I haven't looked into it that much yet. It was K-Dot. Got you. Wait, she was about to violate you in front of your wife? Yeah, my wife was like, because of how she was getting massaged too, she started looking over at me. She was getting concerned. She's like, bro, because even for her, you know what I'm saying? I'm sure they meant well, but bro, that massage was, if you can call it that. It was good though. I felt great after, body wise, but. Oh, hell nah. Your wife would have got Jamaican. Yo, my wife, don't let the hype fool you, bro. She go crazy. Of course, I started talking about the oils. You seem kind of at foreign money. Mesut is a football player. Oh, yeah. See, I didn't know that. I did not know that. Paris, said, hi, buddy. What's good? Prasad. I think that's how you pronounce it. Prasad. Welcome. Glad to have you here, brother. Welcome. They just want to get their money's worth. The oils are at Diddy's house. You guys are crazy. Really? I didn't even know 6ix9ine was in jail. I don't follow these guys like that. All right, guys, time to take another drink break and thank today's sponsor. Right? Jesus Christ. We're not monetized. All the sponsors that hit me up want me to sell you guys garbage products. They're like, hey, can you tell your audience to buy this? It's a great opportunity. They'll make 300 times their money. I'm like, if you don't move yourself, bro, you're going to get me to do something I don't want to do. You guys are crazy. I'm not promoting nothing that's scammy or trash. Won't do it. I don't care how much they offer me. I have another broker that hit me up, was like, hey, you can promote this to your audience. You'll get a good amount of money. And I said no. The markets are going to go crazy money. I bet. No, I don't follow. I just seen this on the news. Got you. Yo, why market bleeding? Siam, market is just absolutely insane today. I'm still salty about this trade. This is about to close in 3 minutes, so thank God for that. And the oil was going down. Now it's going back up. Probably going to retest these areas. We don't know, but we also don't really care. But the markets have been just... You're a first foreigner who pronounced my name correctly, bro. Oh, man. That's amazing. Guys, who's Diddy? Did he commit a serious crime? Adib is trolling. Don't answer him. Don't answer Adib. Adib is trolling. Don't answer him. And trade today. Yeah, I took a trade today, but I lost. I took a trade on gold on this right here. That was my stop loss. I lost 161. So we're back at, it's a 25K account. We're back at break even. We were up $300. Now we're back down. Oops. And yeah. We are worried about him. Adib, you have a lot to read. Bro, he's trolling. Don't mind him. Adib, you don't need to know if you don't buy now. Yeah. Firms are thirsty out here, especially in Q4. Exactly. Adib. Oh, gosh. Yeah, so I get hit up by people to promote some garbage to you guys, and I always say no. Guys, I'm running on 3 hours of sleep. How am I doing so far? Am I all right? Is my energy better today? I know you guys said recently my energy's been off. I'm running on 3 hours of sleep, but how am I doing today? Am I doing good? Am I doing all right? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Bro, anyways, I'm going to stop looking at it. Let's go look at some other things real quick. Let's go see what else we can find. What else can we trade? Your AD broke up. GJ moved down nicely. Nicely. This was beautiful. Yeah, I like that. That's really nice. All right, so anyways, I'm sorry, guys. So yeah, market's been a little shaky, wishy-washy, just falling through the floor. It's Adib's uncle. Guys, I literally just searched in Google and found out. Adib, stop. Don't just, bro. You guys, let me get my brother on here to give you guys some advice, all right? This is some of the best advice you guys will ever hear. You ready? This is from one of my brethren, my homeboys, all right? I follow his advice. I use it. Without his advice, I probably wouldn't get this far. So shout out to him. Here's the advice, all right? Adib, this goes for you.
You know what? In life, don't cover the charge by. Whoa! Don't charge the cover. Charge the hook. Man. Don't book the cover. Book. Don't whatever. Don't do it. Just don't.
All right, Adib, don't do it. Everybody's been telling you not to do it. Don't do it. Just don't do it, Adib. All right? It's that simple. Don't do it. Man said whatever it is. Just don't do it. All right? Don't do it. So that goes for the rest of you guys. All right? Be good. Don't do it. Don't do nothing crazy. Don't do nothing you will regret. Don't do it. Where are we at? Energy not bad. Oh, wait. Isn't your uncle? You've been doing great. Never had a problem. Thank you, Fauci. Energy not bad, bruh. But let's get an adrenaline jab. All right, let me go downstairs for my rock star. I'll go downstairs for my rock star and come back. I'll tour in London today. Siam, good job. Great job. Great job. Fauci, I don't need Diddy. I have China in my back. Bro, you invested in any altcoins? No, I don't do crypto. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, sorry guys. So yeah. Yeah, no altcoins, none of that. All right? None of that stuff. I don't do crypto. It's just not my thing. You guys, so look at SPX. SPX went sideways for a bit, right? Went sideways, broke out, then gave us this. All right, broke out, gave us this. SPX is moving nicely. And by the time I started really paying attention to it, it was like I realized I missed way more opportunities than I should have. Because I'm married to US 30. I'm not gonna lie. US 30 is my favorite index pair. People don't like it too much. I love it. I love US 30. So I focus more on that than anything. You know what I mean? So, anyhow, have you seen or had a head massage from the subcontinent? Yeah. Oh, I've seen the head massages. Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. I'm gonna skip on that still. I'm good. I've seen people getting slapped, bro. Like just straight up backhanded and everything. And then have to pay for it? That's wild to me. That's wild to me, bro. I'm not doing that. This is why they say the trend is your friend. You see how this is moving nicely, respecting all the zones, moving. GU, I just don't like it, but it moves nicely. I won't lie. I just don't like GU. Now, bro, look at what happened with this. Oh my goodness. I literally thought about entering this trade here. The only reason why I didn't enter this trade over here was because it's not my setup. But not a bad day. Not a bad day. For 1,000 lots, how much slippage it? I don't know. It depends on the broker, to be quite honest. Depends on the broker. Depends on a lot of different factors. If you're asking for this particular challenge I'm doing, I still can't tell you. I don't know, bro. I will lie to you. I don't know. Have you ever visited India, bro? No, I haven't. I have not. But if you guys show me some cool places, I don't mind. My wife and I travel a lot. So, you know what I mean? Adib, you should give him a massage at 4 money. I reckon he'll be nice. Nah, bro. I know I'm not taking no massages from Adib. I'm telling you that right now. There's nothing I'm taking from Adib. Nothing. If Adib wanted to send me a Christmas present, I would send it to a fake address. I would not take not a single thing from Adib. Adib is too wild. Adib is too wild. Adib is too wild. All right, guys. 1 second. Let's go back here. Price is just stalling. I will do it for free. I'm good, Adib. I'll pass. What's the biggest payout you've ever gone from? I'm going to talk about this later on, guys. Some of you guys asked for some details. Some I will share right away when you ask me. Others, not yet. But I have 9 accounts. 9 accounts, okay? I'm going to share a lot more stuff with you guys because of all the stuff I got working on. So, Toby, great question. It's not a bad question. But let me put it to you this way. I have made more from trading than I've put into trading in the last 4 years. Okay? Every dollar and cent I've ever put into trading when I started my journey in 2020, I've made it way back. Let me just put it that way. Hear me out for a sec. Gold is melting at the moment, and I know tomorrow's NFP has a chance to melt gold even further, so I'm contemplating going full margin tomorrow. Still haven't made a decision yet. Kairos, hear me out. Don't do it. Don't do it. Let's take a look at gold. Now we got to look at gold because Kairos is about to throw the whole farm at gold. He says he knows gold is going to melt some more. And there's a chance. There's a chance. But you got to wait till... If you see a retracement by tomorrow, so you notice that there's some form of retracement, you have a better chance of what you're saying. If you come down... if you get to the charts tomorrow and you see this or here, please don't touch it. Don't touch it. You're just asking to get... Like, just give your money to me then. It's easier. That way one of us is, benefiting from this. Excuse me. Right anchor, Dean. I'll never go to India for a vacation. I can say that for sure. Got you. I see tomorrow the dollar will melt. Who want to bet? Yeah, guys. You guys want a chance to win another Xbox? Should we do another Xbox giveaway? Place your bets. You're basically a prophet. There's yeah. Exactly. There's bad people and good people everywhere, Fauci. Literally. Do you trade platinum or copper? No, Quantum Realm. I recognize you, Quantum, but no, I don't. I do not. No, I'm scared that Deeb is going to. Oh, guys, we're about to get stopped on this. Excuse me. No, I'm scared that Deeb is going to kidnap me. I know you think he's playing, but he's serious. Karis is laughing. Yeah, man. So that's what it is. Guys, let me check this. Give me 1 second. Okay. All right. Homeless Bill, thoughts on gold bottoming for the day at this moment? People are asking. Everybody's fascinated with gold right now. All right. Let's take a look at some stuff here. Just draw this over just to give it some structure. All right. So here's what happened. Price pushed all the way up. We'll just do it very simply. All the way up. Then it squeezed. Right? And then we got another push and now it's back down here. Somebody's asking where I think price is going to bottom out at. For me personally, if I'm being 1,000% honest with you, I'm not entirely sure. For the day, wait, let me check something. Yeah, guys, look at this. We opened, do you guys see this? Look at where we opened in the market. This was opening price. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. This is opening price right here. This right here was the highest point. And look at where we currently are. Gold is in the floor. If I have to choose a bottom for where gold is going to, I want to say hit for the day, I'm going to look at it from this standpoint right here. I think gold will not pass this for the day right here. So let's say the bottom is going to be, let me put it out here. All right. So the bottom is going to be at, what's the coordinates? 27, 25, 17. That's what I'm thinking for the day. Because, I mean, gold has just absolutely gone to hell. You see what I'm saying? So, excuse me. Gosh. Man. So that's, Bill, that's my thoughts. Those are my thoughts at the moment. You can, let me know what you think. I'm not really a gold expert. I don't trade gold. The only reason why I even look at gold now is because all the people in the foreign money family are like, yo, bro, trade Forex, throw gold in there, see how you do. So far, it's been working, but those are just my thoughts right now. Fauci said FOMO, FOMO, FOMO. I'm closing my eyes. You guys, some of you guys, I don't know why some of you guys act like you would have got in here, okay? And this is what you'd be up right now. Majority of you guys are going for like 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Some of you go from 1 to 8. But from what I've seen, it's not very consistent. You'll get them on the next one. There's always going to be days like this where it happens. You just need to learn to read market structure so you can take advantage of some of these. Bro, what is going on here, bro? I can't talk today. Like to take a quick drink break. Thank today's sponsor, God Almighty Jesus Christ. Because we ain't sponsored on this channel. We're not even monetized. Imagine that. But all jokes aside, guys, we are, what's it called? Yeah. So learn to read market structure so that you can understand, you see what I'm saying? You can see what price is doing and then take. So this is why, for example, I had my area marked up here to go down. I knew price was going down today. I just wanted it to come to this zone. Let me show you a different one. Let's go. Let me show you some basic market structure. I mean, Guys, I apologize, but I might need a halls or something. Toby and I were talking about this earlier. Just basic market structure. Okay, we saw this. I already had this marked out. Toby looked at this and said, bro, why do I feel like this is going to like be a really good entry for a sell? And as soon as we like turned around for 5 minutes, came back, price is here. Market structure. The trend is your friend. We're going down, right? We're going down. So what we're looking for is sells. Trading is very simple. I'll tell you where it gets complicated. All right, we're going to say downtrend, right? So we're looking for sells. So you look for an area, point of interest, something you like, and then you have an entry criteria. Here's where things get complicated. Does that mean just now? Yeah, I think so. Here's where things get complicated. When the market is not trending, and we have things like this, I'll show you another pair. When you have things like this is when the market gets complex because it takes you a while to realize, oh shoot, we're not actually in a trend anymore. We're ranging. By the time you realize we're ranging, you've already entered here for a buy, right? Entered here for a sell, so on and so forth. And you've just been getting washed because you think, oh, we're going down. So, we should sell some more here. Then it goes up. You're like, oh, okay, it's reversing. Let me buy here. And it goes down, right? Things like that. These are the things that affect it. So, bro, guys, I'm sorry. 1 second. So yeah, these are the things that affect it. And take his money back. That's a huge pullback. How many pips is that? Which one? Guys, I missed it. I'm sorry. Is it gold? If it's gold, I can tell you how many pips it is on gold. I think it was gold you guys were looking at. On gold. Oh, because we had the so I can tell you. Gold today has moved. I think that's that right there. Is gold like indices? Let me see something. Guys, 1 second. This thing's just going off. Is that points or pips? Is that 5,000 pips? No. 50 pips? Maybe? I don't know. Because if this was indices, this number here would be it. On indices, I know it's this. This is the points, I believe. So, what, 55 pips? Or is that supposed to actually be 5,000 pips? I don't think so. I think that's 50 pips. Could be wrong. Closing my eyes from kicking FOMO. Bro, when is a win? 1 to 2 is profit. Absolutely. I'm just saying that, like, when people say, oh, God, I'm missing out, they're acting like they would have caught the whole move. Like, calm down, bro. You be all right. Guys, the only reason why I lose my trade because of FOMO. FOMO's a real thing, man. How aren't you monetized yet? I don't even post yet. I'm monetized. Toby, you have a channel? What the heck? Yeah, I know. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Sometimes my watch hour, I don't know, bro. I really don't know. I do not know. Adib, do you have a journal? Okay, I was thinking of making a journal. You know what helps you in these situations? Having a realistic TP. Absolutely. Ludo Trade said, yeah. What's good, Ludo? Yo, Ludo, your name is spelled like the game. Everybody know this game? This game here? Let me see if I can find it. 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can find it. Give me just a second, guys. Here, don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Wrong one. One second, guys. Don't go nowhere. Okay, cool. All right, let me put you guys back on. You guys know this African game here? This. Yo, the amount of fights that have started, okay? And not ended well because of this game. You guys over here, they call it Ludo. Hey, you want to play a game of Ludo, bro? We call it Ludo. You want to play Ludo? Ludo, bro. When you're playing Ludo, all you hear is back six. If you're less six, you get to go back, bro. Ludo is so live. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh gosh, okay, I keep missing all this stuff. Okay, observers thin. Yeah, infinity doesn't really work. Yeah, exactly. 500 pips, fam. Calm down. Tell them. Yep. Yeah, I'm commenting with my channel right now. Okay, Toby, I'm gonna check out your channel after. Crazy drop, absolutely. Yes, very famous game here. We know Ludo. But do you think I should hold my STNZD's trade until NFP release? I'm not even standing. Okay, sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. So much stuff going on because I gotta hop off here soon. That is Ludo. Thank you, Ludo. I'm gonna check out NZD in a second. No, my real name is Ludovic or Ludovic. Okay. Oh my God, I'm from Haiti and they play that game too. Bro, shout out to everybody who knows. Hey, listen, if you know about this game, put some W's or fire emojis in the chat. This is a class. It means you had a great childhood, okay? This game is legendary. Put some W's, some fire emojis in the chat. Thank you. Thank you. You see fake. Yeah, that's what you see your fake friends. I enlisted my videos. They were cringe. Oh, okay, got you. Yeah, W's in the chat. W's in the chat. If you play this game, bro, when you're done, you start off, hey, yeah, oh, okay, oh, you took me out. Later on, it's like this, yo, bro, watch. That, yo, come outside, dog. Come outside, dog. Yeah. You want to take me out, bro? Come outside. And especially if people are playing for money, it gets crazy. This and dominoes, when somebody slaps the table on a really crazy play, bro, an uppercut usually follows. Anytime we play six, we said, six Miludo. Yo, man, I missed this game. Bro, you know the worst thing is, all right, so let's say I'm green, right? I'm green. You start out here. When you play a six, you get to come out, right? So you go all the way around the board. If you land on anybody's star and they get into the game, when they roll a six, they could take you out, no problem. They can do weird things too. Like if you end up here, right, and they roll a six to come out, if they roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if they roll a 5, they can actually go back, take you out, and now they're close to going home. Because the whole point of the game is to go all the way around the board and then come back around and go inside and then land right here. Now, the crazy thing is, some people would be like right here. They see you right here. They're like, oh, yo, wait. I'm right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They roll a 6, they take you out. Or sometimes you're already here. You're almost going home. Somebody's like down here. They start rolling pure sixes. And some people roll a 6, another 6. You think they're done? No, they'd go all the way around, then roll a 2 and come back. Bro, it gets crazy. It gets super crazy, man. And people start going nuts. Oh my goodness, the day friendships end. Trust me, bro, the only problem is when you play 6, doesn't come out for the entire game. It's true. You could be stuck in jail or at home for a hot minute. Guys, I think we got taken out on oil. Yeah, oil took us out. No big deal. No big deal. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, man, that game was legendary, man. Ludo. We call it Ludo. Not no, over here they're like, bro, let's play a game of Ludo. What's a Ludo? It's Ludo. Boy, Ludo. Bro, when we play Ludo, oh my God. I miss it, bro. I grew up with a family of, I have 5 sisters, guys, and 1 brother. 7 of us. That's not including any stepsisters or brothers, right? So there's 7 of us. So you can imagine when you play this game, how intense it gets. You got to wait your turn. Sometimes these things go on for hours. One game can last like 6 hours because people are competitive. People, instead of going home, they want you. They're like, nah. I could go home, but I want to take you out. It gets crazy. It gets super crazy, man. It gets super crazy. I need to try that still. Okay, hold on. Bro, you ever had beef with someone that always pulls out a 6 because they don't roll the dice properly? Of course. You have these cheaters who hold, like, let's say this is the dice, right? They like hold it a certain way and like kind of like dash it. They're like, oh, 6, and they keep doing it. Oh, 6. I'm like, bro. Then it gets to draping up, bro. Like, bro, stop trying to finesse the system, bro. Roll properly. Roll. And then, those ones who never roll on the board and go skipping, like, when you skip rocks on a lake, they always, then everybody's got to search under the couch, in the room for the dice. Because this one person thinks he's playing Bakuman or something, bro, or he's playing Beyblade. Crazy. Super crazy. Oh man, it has been a journey in life. All right, gold is starting to retrace a little bit. Let's see what it does. Oh, that's not bad. Yo, let's just start buying gold, bro. Let's just start buying gold. Bro. We can afford it, bro. This is too small. Let's throw some thousands in here. Let me see. Is that too high? Let me see. What will I lose if I... 8K? Nah, we good. I better lose 8K on account. Yeah, no, we good. Let's maybe do this. Maybe this is better. Yeah. Let me see. How much will I lose at this point? Yeah, 800. Yeah, I can do that. I ain't finna lose no 8K on no gamble, bro. I'm not lying to you. It's all demo and all that stuff, but still, man's work hard to build this account too. What do we got? We got this account all the way up to 3.5 mil from 100K. We ain't finna throw away 8K just like that. No, sir. No, sir. Oh, that's funny. All right, let's see. Let's just start spamming this bad boy. Let's see. Interesting. Your accent kills me every time. Bro, I live in Canada, right? So, like, this is something you hear all the time. You ever ask somebody, Fauci knows, Fauci, you ever ask, like, an older gentleman for directions? You're like, okay, let's say you're looking for a gas station. Like, hey, sir. Or you'd be like, yeah, hey, excuse me. Can you help me find, I'm looking for, like, a Petro-Canada or, like, a Shell. And he'd be like, oh, yeah, you go straight down. You make a left. Go right over the bridge. You can't miss it, bud. You're like, all right, thanks, sir. You know what I mean? Oh man, gotta love Canadians, man. They're lovely people. How we call it Ludo in Nigeria still. We call it Ludo. There you go. Ludo said I'm weak. We call it Trudeau here. No, we don't, Fauci. We do not. Fauci's insane. We do not. Oh my gosh. Yeah, man. I'm telling you. Yo, one time we moved to, Fauci knows, Brampton. Back in the day when we moved to Brampton, this was like 20 years ago, right? So Brampton was just like, even till this day, when you go to Brampton, all the homes look the same, so it's easy to get lost. So we pulled up to Brampton. It's nighttime. We're lost. Back then, there was no GPS. There's no phone. We had those old Nokia bricks that look like this, you know what I mean? With the little punch pad. Okay, long story short. So we're lost. We need help. We meet a guy. He's in his car. He's just chilling in his car. We pull up. Excuse me, sir. We're trying to get to so-and-so drive. Do you know where that is? Brother said, oh, yeah, I can help you. Just a moment there, buddy. Pulls out. Bro, the man pulls out a map. Fauci knows what I'm talking about. Pulls out a map as big as a bed sheet, right? The map is like this big. He lays it out on the dashboard. He's like, all right, where are we? Okay. So it looks like, oh, hold on. Then the man put on his glasses, right? He's like, all right. Okay, perfect. He's like, okay. It looks like we're... Okay, hold on. Then he opens the glove compartment and bro pulls out a magnifying glass. I said, bro, just give up your eyes. You don't need your eyes at this point, bro. Just give up your eyes. It's okay. It's okay. I will find my own way home. I'll walk. Just give up your eyes, bro. They don't work. Your eyes don't work. If you have to use glasses and a magnifying glass, bro, just give it up. All right, it's good. I'll ask the snowman. When I see the snowman on the way home, I'll ask him if he knows where I'm going. You know what I'm saying? So it's all I'm saying is that this happens all the time. I was saying the young people don't know about the paper GPS. They don't know, bro. Yo, back in the day, the way you got somewhere, somebody tell you, listen, when you go down the street, like 5 minutes, you'll see this big house or this big pole or whatever the case is. When you see that, cut a left, cut a right, because then you're going the right way. Then hop on that. And that's how we got to places. My dad drove us from Calgary all the way to Ontario. Took us 5 days. Took us 5 days, 5 or 6 days. Okay? Man just used a map. Shout out to my father. I miss him a lot. You know what I'm saying? So that's how we did it back in the day. There was no GPS. Now you're like, hey, Siri. And Siri's like, uh-huh. And you're like, can you get me directions to the next gas station? Would you like this one that's 2 kilometers away? Or do you want this one that's 5 kilometers away? You're like, the one that's 5 kilometers. Okay, do you want me to call it? Or bro, Siri, just put in the damn address, okay? Stop playing Guess Who with me. Stop playing 21 questions. Just put in the address. I already told you the second one. Just enter. Stop asking me if I want to send them a love letter. But anyways, I'm saying all this to say we are blessed with technology. You know what I'm saying? So it's not like the good old days. You have to remember the locations you have to go to. Exactly. 5 days driving. Yeah, it was. But one of the best memories, though, we were jamming in the car, listening to music, buying food, all that good stuff. You know, back then we used to bond as a family. Not today. You send your sister or brother a meme and you're like, LOL. And that's bonding time. We actually spent time together when we were younger. I drove from Calgary to Ontario too. Wallahi. Oh, wow. Say a word. But I had 3 drivers. It took me 38 hours to get it. Yeah, it's no joke. You get punished severely for making the wrong turn back in the day. Bro, see, Bill knows. Bill knows. It's no joke. We're so blessed today to have a GPS. You know what I'm saying? Back in the day, you got to figure out your own way. Sir, where is my location? Adib, don't know and I don't want to know because I just know it's a trap. Facts, Bill. There you go. What I still remember was how the MTA buses used to have maps to give to people. Not anymore. Yo, that's so true. You guys remember when the driver's license book was free? You guys remember that? Bro, things have changed so much, man. Things have changed so much. You have to make sure you plan out your location. Absolutely. I see what you're doing, Adib. Yeah, Adib is... I'm not messing with Adib. Ludo trades. Yeah. It's things have changed a lot. Things have changed quite a bit. Guys, I'm still salty about this. I'm not going to lie. The only trade I want to take today, I ended up taking a dumb gold trade. Anyways. Adib, I'm not messing with you. I already told you I'm not messing with you, bro. You consistently say you're going to kidnap me. I'm not messing with you, bro. I am not messing with you. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. So basically, here's the plan. Tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're coming to trade this account. We got to make some money on this, guys. We were up almost 300. Now we're back down to break even. We need to pass this account in the next 7 trading days. All right. So 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys are new, join the Discord. It's free. We have the best Discord on YouTube. Everybody gives out free game, free strategies, free everything on there for free. Nobody promotes anything, sells anything, none of that. It's the best Discord. Okay, it's totally free. Join the Discord, guys, if you guys are new. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign. I'm gonna post my stories right after this this stream. Okay, you guys can see the way I live. I'm going to go on a cruise soon. Me and my wife are having our 10-year anniversary, so just know I'm going to be doing a lot of stories behind the scenes so you guys can see, just like I did for Colombia, for my wife's birthday. So you already know. But with that being said, I love each and every one of you guys. You guys are the bomb.com, the reason why I do this. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to have to head out. It's 11:30. I'm way over my time. But for the love of my people, I love my people. So all jokes aside, love you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And hopefully tomorrow we can get at least one good trade to end the week. And then that way, when next week comes, we can pull this W out the bag. All right, guys. Love you guys. Have a good one. Have a great day. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Put some hearts out there for you guys. Later, guys. Later. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Prasad. Thank you.